to our channel. It's Vibing with the Sarpongs, and once again I've got a DIY video for you. We are going to do a balloon wall. So this wall right here is going to be covered with balloon as a backdrop for our little princess T Rose. T Rose wants to come in. Okay, hurry up then.
Hi, my name's Tahila. Like, comment, and subscribe.
What do we need? We need an electronic pump. If you don't have an electronic pump, you can use a normal handheld pump. We are actually going to be using this handheld pump for the 5-inch balloon. So the balloons that we're going to be using is a 5-inch balloon, a 12-inch balloon, and a 10-inch balloon. And I have a 16-inch balloon, but I'm not so sure what I'm going to do with that yet. So the basic ones is a 5-inch balloons, which are the small balloons, the 10 and the 12-inch balloons, which are the normal size of balloons. And then we'll be using these long balloons, which are called 260 balloons, for the actual holding up of the balloons. But you will see how I do that as I carry on. What you also will be needing is some balloon dots to fill in the gaps. Okay, and that is really it. So let me show you the color scheme. The color scheme is pink, purple, and white. Tahila, what is pink, purple, and white? Why are we doing pink, purple, and white?
Because that's my favorite color.
Indeed, it's her favorite colors, and she wanted unicorn. So that is the theme that we are going with. All right. So this shouldn't take too long, but I would say go get yourself a snack, a drink, and come along on this transformational journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to all the new members of our family. We appreciate you for subscribing. Bye. So I'm going to use the maroons that I had for my birthday, which you have seen, the garland. So an 8, another 8, we are putting it together. Okay, and that then becomes a quad, or what do you call this, a square. Okay, and then we'll be adding the squares on top of each other. Where the 280s come handy is the 280s are what's going to keep it together. Okay, the 280s, the long ones, are the ones that are going to keep this together. So I'm going to roll it over and make a knot for the start. Then I'm going to keep doing that for each one of them. Okay, so you just need to position them properly so that you can see the quad like that. Okay, and I'm going to get another one and put it on top of this one. Okay, so if you're going to push some over people. Okay, so now we're going to do. Okay, so I've got another 4. I'm going to put it on top of this 4, and I'm going to bring it together. Okay. The 280s can go around many times. Okay. This is now an 8, and I'm going to keep going like that. So now I'm going to mute this video, listen to a little bit of background music, and enjoy my journey. this is the end of the video. We're just going to do a few bouquets, but we're going to do that in another video so you can see how that is, otherwise it's going to be a little bit confusing. But thank you for watching till the end. This is the beautiful wall. I'm going to add the 5 leaves.